Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First a look at the top stories. NIA charge sheet keeps accused number 10 secret, names accused number 11 but not 10, says interrogation of absconding suspects needs to unearth larger conspiracy. Prime Minister addresses first press conference in 4 years. UPA2 completes 1 year, says Naxalism still the biggest internal security challenge. Rahul is always welcome in the cabinet. Mahila Morcha demands resignation of CM for comments on women entering into politics. CM clarifies, says women are welcome in politics but they should also concentrate on their economic empowerment. Goa win Goshen Ryu National Karate Championship. Tamil Nadu finished second. Karnataka take third place. And the Cruz Mala clinch their 6th All Goa volleyball title in a row. Thrash Bita boys in the final at Mercedes. And now the news in detail. It is still a mystery who is the accused number 10 in the bomb blast case. The National Investigation Agency is investigating against 11 Narkasurs, the Sadaks of Sanatan Sanstha. The NIA, however, suspects a much larger conspiracy behind the intended blasts in Margaon, Sankwal and 3 other places. Prudent brings to you more startling facts from the charge sheet. Watch Prudent Media's exclusive, the charge sheet against Narkasur Part 2.
The NIA charge sheet names total 11 accused. The Narkasur who wanted to kill innocent people on the night of Narkasur Vart competition. 2 of this Narkasur, the Sadak of Sanatan Sanstha, died on the spot. Malgunda Patil and Yogesh Naik. 4 were arrested by Goa police during investigation. Vinay Tarekar, Vinayak Patil, Dhananjay Ashtekar and Dilip Mangaonkar. But 5 more are still absconding. You know who are these 5 Narkasur? Well, they are numbered like this in the charge sheet. Who is this accused number 10? The NIA says it is not yet known. If not known, why he or she has not been numbered at 11? Why 10? Does he belong to Sanatan Sanstha? Malgunda Patil was the managing trustee of Sanatan Sanstha. Was this number 10 above him or below him? Or is he or she outside Sanatan Sanstha? Well, the mystery would be solved only after NIA completes this investigation and files its final charge sheet. But the NIA is looking out for a much bigger conspiracy behind it. They are desperately searching for the 5 more accused, including mysterious number 10, to unearth this larger conspiracy of the Narkasur, the Sadak of Sanatan Sanstha. This is what the charge sheet says. A7 to A11 are absconding and their custodial interrogation is needed to unearth the larger conspiracy of this case. What is this larger conspiracy? To kill the Chief Minister? To create communal riots in our peaceful Goa? Or something much bigger which we have not thought till date? The NIA is just not investigating the Goa angle. They are also investigating the Maharashtra angle. They are suspecting a much bigger conspiracy behind this bomb blast. The present charge sheet gives just an indication of the larger canvas of the investigation. Hopefully, at the end, they will let us know what this Narakasur wanted to do to our peaceful Goa, our loving Goa. Our editor-in-chief from Panji, Sandesh Prabhudesai.
The UPA too has completed its successful year of coalition government. Prime Minister Manmohan Singh on Monday had a press briefing on various issues for the first time in 4 years. He said that Naxalism still remains the biggest internal security challenge in the country. He also mentioned that Rahul Gandhi was hesitant in taking over the cabinet post as he is working towards strengthening the Congress party.
Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, for the first time in 4 years, had a press conference in Delhi. He answered the media persons on the first anniversary of the UPA too. Speaking at the briefing, he said, Naxalism remains the biggest internal security challenge and it is very important to control left-wing extremism for the country's growth and deal with Naxalism.
आर्थिक सुधारों का पूरा फायदा उठाने के लिए हमें नक्सलवादियों पर और टेररिस्ट एलिमेंट्स पे पूरा कंट्रोल करना होगा। अगर हम कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाएंगे तो इससे देश की आर्थिक हालत पर कुछ खराब असर भी पड़ सकता है।
Prime Minister also said that Rahul Gandhi was reluctant to take over as the cabinet minister.
When is he likely to join your cabinet? Have you asked him again any time after last year's swearing in to join your cabinet since he is being projected as the next Prime Minister of the country?
Well, Rahul is well qualified to hold a cabinet post. I have discussed with him on a number of occasions, though I don't remember exactly the date when I last discussed this matter, but he has always been reluctant to give a positive answer, telling me that he has duties to perform in reviving the Congress party and he is doing a very good job. I have every reason to believe that as and when he is ready to join the cabinet, he would be a very appropriate addition to the cabinet.
The PM was also questioned on whose advice amongst the two women, one back at home and another as the AICC president, benefits the PM. He said that both the advices help him.
आप दो महिलाओं की राय पर चलते हैं। एक महिला आपके घर पे है, मैडम गुरुशरण कौर, दूसरी महिला कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष सोनिया गांधी। किसकी राय आपके लिए ज्यादा एडवाइसेबल और ज्यादा सुटेबल होती है?
Well, I think I am very privileged to have, the benefit of constant advice both by Srimati Sonia Gandhi and my wife. I think there is no, both of them deal with different subjects and I welcome the advice of both of them.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Time now for a short break. Stay tuned for more news.